Mind-blowing facts about the dwarf planet Pluto. Pluto, once considered the ninth planet, has fascinated astronomers for decades. Despite its reclassification as a dwarf planet in 2006, it remains one of the most intriguing celestial bodies in our solar system. Let's dive into some astonishing facts about this icy world. 1. What's in a name? Pluto was named after the Roman god of the underworld. The name was suggested by an 11-year-old British girl, Venetia Burney, in 1930, inspired by Pluto's dark and distant nature. 2. Discovery and first observations. American astronomer Clyde Tombaugh discovered Pluto in 1930 while working at Lowell Observatory in Arizona. The search for a ninth planet had been ongoing for years, based on predictions by astronomer Percival Lowell. 3. Why is Pluto a dwarf planet? Pluto was demoted from planet status in 2006 by the International Astronomical Union, IAU, because it does not clear its orbit of other debris, one of the criteria for being a full-fledged planet. 4. Tiny but mighty. Pluto is smaller than Earth's moon. With a diameter of about 2,377 kilometers, it's only two-thirds the size of our moon, yet it has a complex atmosphere and geological activity. 5. A bizarre, tilted orbit. Unlike other planets, Pluto's orbit is highly elliptical and tilted at 17 degrees. Sometimes, it's closer to the Sun than Neptune, making its path one of the most unique in the solar system. 6. A year that lasts centuries. One Pluto year, one orbit around the Sun, takes 248 Earth years. Since its discovery, Pluto has not yet completed one full orbit around the Sun. 7. Pluto's long days. A Pluto day lasts 6.4 Earth days, so if you lived there, you'd experience incredibly long sunrises and sunsets. 8. Frozen landscapes and icy mountains. Pluto's surface is a mix of rock and frozen nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. One of its most famous features, Sputnik Planitia, is a massive nitrogen ice plain that constantly reshapes over time. 9. Its atmosphere appears and disappears. When Pluto is closer to the Sun, its frozen gases evaporate into a thin atmosphere. But as it moves farther away, these gases refreeze onto the surface, making the atmosphere vanish. 10. Pluto rotates backwards. Like Venus, Pluto has a retrograde rotation, meaning the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east, the opposite of Earth. 11. Red snow? Yes. Pluto's icy surface has a reddish tint due to chemical reactions between solar radiation and its frozen gases, making it look alien compared to other icy worlds. 12. The heart of Pluto. NASA's New Horizons spacecraft revealed a massive, heart-shaped glacier known as Sputnik Planitia. It's one of Pluto's most striking and geologically active features. 13. Pluto has twin planets. Pluto isn't alone. Other dwarf planets, such as Eris, Haumea, and Makemake, share similarities with Pluto and reside in the Kuiper Belt, a region filled with icy bodies beyond Neptune. 14. Its biggest moon, Charon, is almost its twin. Pluto's largest moon, Charon, is half the size of Pluto. Instead of orbiting around Pluto, they both revolve around a common center of gravity, making them more like a double planet system. 15. Pluto's other moons. Besides Charon, Pluto has 4 smaller moons: Styx, Nix, Kerberos, and Hydra, believed to have formed from an ancient collision. 16. Freezing cold temperatures. Pluto is one of the coldest places in the solar system, with temperatures plunging to 233 degrees Celsius, 387 degrees Fahrenheit, just a few degrees above absolute zero. 17. Is there an ocean under Pluto's surface? Some scientists believe Pluto might have a subsurface ocean beneath its icy crust, similar to Europa and Enceladus, raising questions about possible habitability. 18. Exploring Pluto. New Horizons mission. NASA's New Horizons spacecraft flew past Pluto in 2015, capturing stunning images and groundbreaking data that changed our understanding of this tiny world forever. 19. The future of Pluto exploration. Although no new missions are currently planned, scientists are pushing for a Pluto orbiter to further explore its atmosphere, surface, and potential underground ocean. Would you love to see humans explore Pluto one day? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Please subscribe to the channel.